Today is the effect of glyphosate and chronic disease. Now, glyphosate may be a term that you're not familiar with, but I'm sure you heard of Roundup. Now, Roundup is, of course, a broad-spectrum herbicide that you can find in every hardware store and plant store in the country. And there's a lot of talk that this is very, very safe, and you can use it pretty much like water without any consequences. There are a couple of flaws to that logic, which I'll discuss real briefly here. There are some longer videos that you can find on YouTube about this, but I want to give you a brief overview. The brief overview is this. We depend very much on our intestinal bacteria for our health. They help modulate our whole immune system. Now, because bacteria are also affected by glyphosate, it's going to affect your immune system as well. Now, the effect isn't quite as dramatic as some things might be. In 30 minutes, you know that you've done something horribly wrong and you're in trouble. Glyphosate's not like that. It's a slow process. It takes for any real major symptoms to appear. The healthy bacteria in your gut, you're going to have some effects, and these things will have been linked to things like autism, Alzheimer's disease, diabetes, heart disease, certain types of cancers. So if you're not worried about those, but if you're kind of wondering about why is this autism on the rise, glyphosate might be one of the causes. There are some indicators. That's how the whole studies began, to figure out why because it interferes with the body's ability and its integrity. This is, of course, a critically important. Without proper separation of now, the heart, of course, to separate these ions of that cell membrane. You keep seeing so much emphasis on a fair amount of blood tests. Educational side that we've been taught. So thank you.